if you want to speed up your workflow when you're working with Prezi Designs, then what you can do is you can use keyboard shortcuts. For example, if I were to go around, click on this object, and if I were to press Ctrl D, then what happens is that the object duplicates, which is much more faster than if you were to right click right here and click on duplicate, because there is 2 more steps. So now, in order to know what shortcut keys are, if you were to right click, you can see the shortcut keys besides the option right here. For example, for paste, it's Ctrl V. For duplicate, it's Ctrl V right here. To copy out style, it's Shift Ctrl C. You can also access out the range of shortcut keys that you can use from the menu right here. On the top left, you can click over here and click on keyboard shortcut, and you are redirected to a page where you have a list of keyboard shortcut, as you can see. So for Mac users, it's this, while for Windows users, it's this, as you can see. For example, for group, it's Ctrl Z. For ungroup, it's Ctrl Shift and Z, and so forth. And you can utilize these shortcut keys out to speed up your workflow when you're working with Prezi Design files.